The disappearance of a New Jersey boy 23 years ago is back in the news tonight. His mother now charged with murder, arrested some 1,000 miles away from where the boy's body was found. CBS 2's Tony Aiello reports on the cold case arrest.
Visiting family members buried at this Keyport cemetery, Jamie Koenig often stops at this grave and thinks about Timmy Wiltsey.
Just hope he was at peace, you know, and hopefully sometime someone would figure out how he died.
The little boy disappeared in May 1991. His mother claimed he was snatched from a carnival in Sayreville. But suspicious investigators never quite bought the story told by Michelle Ludzinski. And 23 years later, she now is charged with murder. Ludzinski, now 47, made a brief court appearance by video Thursday in Florida, where she's lived for at least a decade. The Middlesex prosecutor will only say a recent reinvestigation led to Ludzinski's arrest.
I don't know how a mother could do that.
Cheryl Francisco was one of hundreds of volunteers who helped search for little Timmy back in 1991. She remembers seeing Michelle Ludzinski and thinking something wasn't quite right.
Way too calm. I think I was more emotional than she was. My mom and my sister had come, very good friend of mine, and we were all upset making flyers trying to help find him, and she just seemed way too calm.
Ludzinski made headlines a few years after her son disappeared, serving 6 months house arrest for lying about being kidnapped by FBI agents. In Florida, she had 2 more children. They're now being cared for by family members, while Ludzinski will be returned eventually to New Jersey to face justice. Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
Well, Ludzinski's 2 children that Tony just mentioned are living in Florida, and their ages are 12 and 16. When she was arrested yesterday, that day marked what would have been her son Timmy's 29th birthday.